Yes, my name is Contessa Allen Starks, and I completed the AI Applications for Business course with uCertify. Well, we chose uCertify because it's a structured learning path and it provides the practical models and reputation for helping professionals like me upskill the real world tools, especially in the fast evolving field of AI. Oh, thank you, dear. The lesson content, it was relevant, it was modern, and it was clearly connected to the AI and the real world business applications that we use. So, from the automation to the decision making and to the customer engagement portions. I appreciated the progress tracker and the real time feedback on the assignments. That gave me insight into like what I needed to master, what I did master, and what needed more attention. I felt that it prepared me well for both. I left the course with a better understanding of how to integrate the AI into our business strategies, and particularly in the operations and the analytics portion. True. I did. I had a few challenges. I struggled with applying forgive me, the background noise. I struggled with applying the technical AI concepts to our real world or real business environment. So that helped me bridge the gap between those case studies and scenario based learning.